Today, I'll be walking you through our latest feature, which is pitching candidates to hiring managers. So, I'm currently on the candidates tab of Recruiter Flow and have a list of candidates over here. And I want to push certain candidates to hiring managers just because they have exceptional performance. So, I'm going to select Sherlock Holmes, Michael, Dwight, and Louis here. Once my selection is complete, I'm going to hit on pitch candidates. A new window will open up showcasing these candidates along with other information like their title, location, company, email, etc. In case you are not comfortable sharing certain data points, you can click on choose data to share over here. Once that is complete, you will be able to see a new window with all the system fields or the data points which could possibly shared with the hiring manager. Now, in case you are not really comfortable sharing the name and the contact details of the candidate, you can just uncheck those data points here. And now, if you want to add in more information like their education details and let's say even skills, you can select those as well. Okay, over here on the right side, now we have all the data points selected and the order in which they will be shared with the hiring manager. If you want to make some changes here in their order, you can do that as well. For example, let's say you want to get their current company on top, I can do that. And if you want to move their education at the bottom, I can do that as well. Once you are done with this, hit on save. Now your table will reflect all the changes you have made. Now the next step is to name the list to share with the hiring manager. So I'm going to name it as X Force. So once this is done, there are two options for you to share with the hiring manager. One is creating and copying a link. This will primarily copy the link of this list onto the clipboard and then you can share it on any platform with anybody. However, there's a caveat. You can't really track what's happening when you share it. And at the same time, this is not something which you would recommend. What we recommend is the second process where you are sharing it with the contacts that you have saved on Recruiter Flow. Let me show you how it works. So click on create and share with contacts. Once that is complete, you have an email set up along with the subject line and the body. And now you can choose who you want to select to. Let's say I choose more. Yeah. For test purposes, I'm just sending it to myself so that I can show you to you how it works. But you can send it to multiple folks. Again, you can send it to separate folks, and each person will view it separately without understanding who are the other recipients. You can make changes in the subject line as well, and you can make changes in the body. The candidate list over here is actually the link of the list that you've created. If you're happy with this, you can just click on send. Okay, your bulk action for one email has been scheduled. It will be processed shortly. This will usually take 2 to 3 minutes. If you want to track it, you can just click on click here to view. As you can see, there's this status called pending processing. So when the hiring manager receives the pitch candidates link in an email, they can just click on the link. Once they do that, they'll be taken to a new window with the candidate list as well as other information about them. Here is the action column, which has three significant buttons: the like button, the drop button, and the comment button. The like button could be used to showcase that you like the candidate and want to take the person ahead in the process. The drop button could be used to showcase that you want to drop the candidate completely. And the comment button could be used to seek any additional information or questions regarding the candidate. For this video, I'll be showcasing how exactly these three buttons differ. For example, I'm just going to click on the like button here. As you can see, there's a new window with two boxes, next step and message recruiter. So next step is a mandatory step. You can click on it and select any of these four options. If you're not happy with these options, you can go to CRM settings in Recruiter Flow and change the options altogether. For this video, I'm just going to select send me more details and I'm going to just add a comment here. Looks good. Let's take it ahead. I click on save. For the next candidate, I'm just going to click on drop. Once you do that, you don't have to really add any other thing. The candidate will be dropped. And for the third candidate, I am not sure whether or I want to drop the person. So I'm going to just click on comment and leave a comment here. Not sure. Can you share more details? So yeah, send. Now I have taken actions for three profiles and I have not taken an action for the fourth profile. This is completely okay. Also, if you want to go ahead and click on any particular candidate's profile, you can do that. You'll be seeing the same two options at the bottom as well, along with the comment button. When you do this particular activity, the recruiter will be getting an email for each of these candidates and the response chosen by the hiring manager. So this is how a hiring manager can provide feedback on the candidates shared by you using the pitch candidates link. The next month, we'll be enhancing this feature further, wherein whenever you add an email address not present in Recruiter Flow's contact base, but previously used either in campaigns or recipes, the system will automatically fetch this email as a contact. You can then use the second workflow of creating the pitch candidates link and sharing it as a contact. This enables you to track the activity of the hiring manager on the link. Also, let us know how you like this feature, and if you have any suggestions or questions regarding it, please feel free to reach out to our customer success team.